In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the LET function in Google Sheets. This function can be incredibly useful for optimizing your spreadsheet formulas, making them both cleaner and more efficient. Let's dive in and explore how you can utilize this function to simplify your data management tasks. First, to get started, you'll want to open a Google Sheet. If you're not familiar, you can simply head over to Google Sheets website and create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one where you want to use the LET function. Now that you have your spreadsheet ready, let's move on to the next step. Next, you'll want to click on any cell where you intend to apply the formula. For illustrative purposes, let's select cell F2. This is where we will be entering our LET formula, so ensure it's highlighted before proceeding. It might be helpful to zoom in or adjust your screen view for better visibility as you input the formula. Now comes the core part, typing in the formula itself. In the selected cell, type the following. Gillette total sales, sum B2E2, IFS sum B2E2 800, target met, sum B2E2 700, partial, sum B2E2 700, no. This formula is structured to declare a named variable, in this case, total sales, which represents the sum of data from cells B2 to E2. The IFS function then uses conditional logic to evaluate sales totals. If the total sales are greater than or equal to 800, the result will be target met. If it's greater than or equal to 700, it will be labeled as partial. Otherwise, if it's below 700, it will be marked as no. This approach not only condenses your formula, but also enhances readability and maintainability. After typing in the formula, simply hit the Enter key. This action will execute the formula and instantly provide a result in the selected cell based on the conditions set. It's a quick yet powerful way to leverage the LET function for calculations that involve intermediate steps or repetitive sub-expressions. Lastly, to expand the use of this formula across multiple cells, you can apply autofill. This step is straightforward. Select the cell where you've entered the formula and then drag the fill handle, the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, down the column to fill adjacent cells. This action applies the formula to other rows, adjusting cell references automatically to accommodate data in corresponding rows. By following these steps, you can efficiently use the LET function in Google Sheets, making your spreadsheets more dynamic and easier to manage. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident in utilizing this function for your data analysis needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.